Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Well, I'm a huge fan of impactful but easy marketing solutions, and I've got a good one for you this week. It involves using a short trim panel and creative imagery to grab and hold attention. I've got 4 examples to show you, so let's take a closer look. First up is a simple 2-panel self-mailer from Best Buy. You can see that the imagery is of a high-end range and that there's a short trim panel right where the oven door would be. So basically, they're enticing someone to open the oven. Pretty clever. They followed through with the oven imagery on the inside and, of course, details about the big appliance sale they were having. Sticking with the 2-panel format, let's put the short trim on the bottom of the brochure, and for this design, they put a distractingly awkward image on the cover. People are missing and cropped out of the frame. This promotion is for a video conferencing technology that promises to get everyone in the picture, and that image of everyone on the call being visible is the payoff image on the inside. Now let's add a panel and move to a trifold format. This mailer for Land Rover features the back end of a car with the open road behind it. They also use a grit UV coating to give the road the rough feeling of asphalt. Open it up and there's a vehicle stopped just in time behind the car. The cars also have high gloss UV coating for contrast. So the image is making an important point about brake performance and maintenance. Open it up for highly personalized content. The sensory elements on this one make it irresistible to open. Okay, one more trifold. This one is one of the oldest samples in my collection, but it's still a great idea, which makes it timeless in my opinion. This is an old Verizon mailer, and much like the oven door that opened in the Best Buy sample, they made a short panel to coax the recipient to take the phone off the cradle. They also put marketing messages in the 2 screens. It's just that simple. I love that in all 4 designs, we're simply moving the placement of the score to create a short panel and adding color imagery. That's about as inexpensive as a powerful print marketing idea can get. And as we saw in this Land Rover example, you can add some creative print embellishments and textures and variable personalized content to further increase the likelihood of interest and interaction without breaking the bank. There's so much you can do, so just start simple and build on your idea from there. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.